Oil prices plummet! Whoa! To a 21-year low. So some serious selling pressure coming into play, a resumption. Really, if you look at the back end of last week, that pressure coming into play as that $20 area gives way to the sellers, opening the door for a fresh wave of selling momentum. Now, if you check my blog post earlier, well, it's actually on Saturday, if you check through that, we were discussing this. We were anticipating that selling pressure further coming into play. Now, why are we seeing this? Well, same sort of reasoning, a crippling of demand. At the end of the day, a lot of economies are on lockdown. There's a lack of sort of transportation on land and of course in air. Huge consumers, of course, of oil. What do we use oil for? For some fuel to fill up all of these methods of transportation. So that is crippling demand. And then obviously it was really incompetence, I must say, incompetence from both OPEC and OPEC Plus to initially try and sort out production cuts. It got dragged and dragged and dragged until they saw literally the oil market was absolutely in tatters. And then they've agreed this, unprecedented production cut, but still, you're looking at the numbers, it's not going to fill the gap of that huge drop in demand as an impact of COVID-19, the spread of the coronavirus crippling all of these economies and their need for oil. And on top of all of that, we had very gloomy outlooks from both the EIA and OPEC themselves in terms of what they foresee in terms of the demand there, and it's in the coming sort of months, years, not looking good at all for there's no point even calling it black gold anymore. So yeah, a lot of pressure there. And what have we seen in the FX markets? Well, if you look at the oil-linked currencies, the likes of CAD, Canadian dollar, and NOK, Norwegian krona, those of course are seeing some underperformance across the board, under pressure, being dragged lower as we're anticipating with this move in oil. Guys, look, all of this, baby, we cover this in real time with the technicals and the fundamentals hand in hand. Check out our membership at freaknetwork.io, or look, understanding all of this fundamentally, we have a course, fundamental course, forexfundamentals.io. Do not hesitate to check that out. Other than that, that's it from me. Enjoy the rest of your trading day and week. Let's get it.